Hello there. I am driving a brand new 2026 Hyundai Tucson Limited. And this is what my dashboard looks like. Every single light is lit up. All of the warning lights. And just a while ago, it was just the screen was going blank and then coming back on. So I don't know what the heck's going on. So what do you do when this happens? Should I take it to the dealership? The thing is only 4.5 months old. Let's see. I'm going to turn it off. All the lights are still on. That is really alarming. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. All right, let's turn it back on. So I'm going to turn this off again. All the lights are on. This is crazy, man. Crazy. I'll hit the accessories. I'm in accessory mode, but every single light is on. How do I get that to stop? How do I get that to stop? It's crazy. All right, so I'm going to park the car. Nope, that starts it. I'm going to park the car. I am going to put the car in park. I am going to walk away from the car. Okay. And I'm going to get out of the car. This thing is really nice blue, I have to say. Like, this is actually, it looks black. If you get really close to it, it's actually like this really dark blue. All right, I'm going to lock the car, walk away from the car. And now I'm going to go up and see. Up, look, all the lights are still on in the panel. This is crazy. Not cool, man. Not cool at all. Do not like. Highly do not recommend. All right. So I'm just documenting this right now to make sure that when I take this into the shop, everybody knows what's going on, what I'm talking about. I'm not crazy. All right. And I guess I'm going to continue to drive the car because, you know, it's under warranty and I do need to get some gas. But yeah, if anybody knows what the solution to this problem is, let me know. Have a great day.